Welcome back, guys. In this video we are going to discuss the motion of balloons. Okay, so how this video will be helpful is that this video is going to give you some of the tips and tricks to understand the balloon movement, or and also some of the basics of uh, this COC reviewing your attack. Okay, so guys, since I am playing a replay, you can see what are the things I can do which I was unable to do while attacking. So uh, you can see, guys, I can tap in any of the defense buildings. Okay, and they will show me the range. For every defense building there will be a range, and for every trash buildings there will be nothing but its hit point. Okay, for example, you can see king have range, mortar have range. Okay, archer towers have range, air defense have range. Also you can see one more thing. Since I have played the or deployed my troop, now you can click also in your troops and it will start blinking. Okay, so two things, guys, here. Number one, you can check the hit point of the troop, the one which is blinking. Number two, you can see where exactly it is located. For example, this balloon is located not in this entire area but in this small black dots. Okay, and which building will be targeting depends upon this black dots. uh, for example, now you can see this black dot is under uh, this archer tower. Okay, so it have started attacking this balloon. Okay, and once it is destroyed, then the balloon which is nearer to its range will be attacked. I will show you. See, after first attack, some of the hit points is lost in this balloon. Okay, also I have deployed many other balloons and its range is given, or its exact location is given by these black dots. Okay, and I can tap in any one of the balloons to know its hit point. Okay, like this, any balloons. Now see, now the nearest balloon is this one, this balloon, this balloon. So the archer tower is attacking this balloon. Okay, and one more thing, guys, you may feel that these balloons are closer to this cannon, and after destroying this wizard tower they will move to cannon, but this is not true. Their exact location is given by these black dots, and since this black dot is nearer wait nearer to this archer tower, then after this wizard tower gets destroyed, it will move towards the archer tower. Okay, and not towards the cannon. Okay, so you can see the reply, guys. See, they have moved towards these balloons have moved towards this archer tower. Okay, uh, and also you can see some of the balloons have moved towards this air sweeper, and some of them have moved towards this direction depending upon the nearest distance. Whatever the nearest distance between this black dot and the shadow, you can see the shadow. This exactly says the location of this air sweeper. Whatever is nearer, it will move towards this direction. Okay. uh, so see guys, now finally this black dots have started moving towards uh, this air defense. Okay. And you can see it have moved near the this black shadow. Okay. And then it started attacking again. This balloon will move have moved towards this shadow of this cannon and then attacked. Okay. Now see. Okay, one more thing guys. This balloon have moved towards this cannon and not to this air defense, because the dot or the shadow you observed was nearer to this cannon and far away from this air defense. Okay, so they have moved towards the cannon. And now this attack is over guys. Hope you have learned something from this video guys. Meet you in next video.